I want to show y'all another little trick that I learned along the way of homeowning. So you see this little latch right there, that little black latch? All right. So when you close your door, you see all the wiggle room that we have right here? If we pull this latch out more, the wiggle will stop. And let me show y'all. All right, so you get your screwdriver. You go inside and you pull your latch out. You pull that latch out. And if you need to pull back in, you can either push it in or, you can push it in. So you pull the latch out. See how it's less? See how it's less? If you want really less, then you keep pulling. You keep pulling. You keep pulling. You see that? No shakes. Just a little bit left. You could keep on going. It's even less. So I'm just showing y'all what this little latch do on a doorknob. You see how I basically pulled it all the way out? Nothing. You see that? Nothing. So just a quick tip for y'all, just in case y'all wanted to know what this little latch was for. You even get a solid close from the outside. See, door don't wiggle. So that was a success. I might actually consider putting this throughout the whole house. So stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Have a good one.